I am a crane manipulator unit. To be exact, I am a multifunctional lifting and conveying machine. I have a great maneuverability and high accuracy of cargo movement. My colleagues and I are intending for carrying out loading and unloading operations, transporting heavy cargoes during the construction, landscaping works and utilities, as well as for using in agricultural, oil and natural gas extraction industries. It would not be easy for you to solve their problems without me. I am made here at the Ural plant of lifting equipment. Day by day, more than 100 leading specialists work on making me perfect, ready to work without rest under any weather conditions. It all starts here, in the design department. Thanks to the accurate calculations of design engineers, I am able to cope with any cargo. Even 10 tons is not a problem for me. Having been developed in the design department, we are put into production. The highest quality components and the latest machines from leading domestic and foreign producers are used for our manufacturing process. The assembly line in the plant is uninterrupted and parallel. Consequently, 5 crane manipulator units can be produced in 5 days. We are different. One is equipped with a basket handling equipment, another one with drilling installation. We all have different component parts and features depending on who we serve. Having come off the assembly line, we pass quality control. Until each of us has been tested, we cannot leave the factory. It all began when Nikolai Antonov founded the Ural plant's techniques. In 2010, the first Ant 12-2 was manufactured, tested and released. Since then, demand for them has expanded significantly that it has become impossible to produce them in a single shop. In 2018, it was decided to build a separate plant for the manufacture of Ant. As a result, the Ural plant of lifting equipment was founded in 2019. Today, the plant occupies the area of 5,000 square meters. The company has developed a team of like-minded people, able to solve any problems. In Russia, no one has dared to create a product that is able to compete in its segment. We did that because we live in the Urals. It means that we have no fear of hard work. Our mission is to be strong.